What's up, everybody? It's John
and Jess with Motor Mania,
and we're at a different location at Carisma Customs, about to introduce one of our great new partners at Motor Mania. Want to go in for a tour?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's roll.
What's going on, everybody? Carisma Customs coming at you. Here's the gig, June 24th, 5th, and 26th, Washington County Fairgrounds, Motor Mania. We were personally invited to show up, represent, show some of our cool cars and stuff that we get to work on. Bands, food, of course alcohol, and the burnout pit, and also this year gonna have a drag rip. It's gonna be crazy. So come check it out. It's gonna be wild. Here's some of the cars we may or may not show up with. You have to come and see it. One of the biggest shows. If you don't make it, don't blame me.